These are my black bean, I call them my better brownies. I just gave the punchline of the joke away.
Yeah.
There's a secret ingredient, guys. It's black bean.
Not so secret anymore.
I always do that. All right, so what I have here is a cup of roasted sweet potato. You can do it in the microwave too if you're running quick on time.
Oh, yeah, that's great.
I have
Good advice.
2 tablespoons of melted butter. So a really minimal amount of butter and added sugar. Half a cup of light brown sugar there. And then 2 eggs. And while I'm doing that, Rach, if you'll put some coffee over those chocolate chips and just melt those down. And I'll add some vanilla here. Thank you so much. Now this is gonna hit that sweet tooth, but do it in a way.
I love coffee and chocolate together. Yum.
Wait, I have some bad news. Do you not love fudgy brownies?
No, of course I love fudgy
Well,
brownies.
good, you're gonna love these then, because they're super, super rich, dense, moist fudgy brownies because of that black bean blend and the sweet potato, which is adding a lot of sweetness and moisture again. And actually,
It's practically like taking a vitamin.
I hope it goes down a little easier. All right, so I have that blended together.
Put this guy in here or in there?
Now here's what I have. These are pureed black beans. I literally took these out of a can, whipped them together in your food processor, and took about a cup of that mixture. Pureed black beans, melted chocolate into there, please.
Gotcha.
About a cup of cocoa powder. Oh, sorry. A little bit of salt. I always need some salt with my sweet, so I'm gonna do a little less than a teaspoon of salt. And then about a teaspoon of baking soda here. And get that all mixed together.
Gotcha.
Wet into dry.
Ooh.
Or dry into wet, whichever one's easier
Yeah,
for.
whichever
do
one's
it. You're
easier to
strong.
go in.
You got it. You got it. All right. Perfect.
You want me to switch to this guy now?
Beautiful. Thank you so
Gotcha.
much. And while you are working hard over there, the best part about these guys is once you put them into your mini muffin tin and bake them, it takes about 8 minutes.
Cute.
So fast, so you get your sweet tooth on really fast.
Cute. And you just use a scoop to portion.
Grease your muffin tin or put liners in.
Right, spray your mini muffin tin,
Well,
and then you just use a little scoop and do that.
Exactly. This is actually one thing I do let my kids do. I let them take the butter stick and swirl it around, or a little paper towel with olive oil. They sometimes take a bite out of the butter stick, which is always okay. Go for that.
They're delicious.
Right? Tastes like chocolate fudge.
Delicious. It tastes like a giant piece of chocolate fudge. I love you. You look beautiful. Oh my goodness. Now I need a fresh cup of coffee to go with that, don't you?
I love that.
We're gonna give you guys a break to go grab some healthy snacks and come right back. We got a lot more show. Let's do it.